Looking for your iPhone clipboard? Here are 2 easy methods to find and manage copied text. Method 1. Using the Notes app. Open the Notes app on your iPhone. Tap the Compose icon to create a new note. Type your message in the blank space. Long press on the typed text. A menu with options will appear. Choose Select All to highlight all the text. Tap Copy to save the text to your clipboard. On the keyboard, tap Return, and then the space key. Tap Paste when the options appear to view the copied text. Alternatively, try Method 2 using the Shortcuts app. Open the Shortcuts app on your device. Locate the Gallery tab at the bottom right corner and tap it. Use the search bar at the top and type Clipboard. Scroll down to find the Adjust Clipboard option. Tap the plus icon next to Adjust Clipboard to add it. Return to the Shortcuts tab at the bottom. Tap on the Adjust Clipboard shortcut to view the copied text. Tap the text if you want to make any changes, and enter the desired text. Once done, tap Done to save the changes. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.